In a bustling town full of noise and life, a young boy walked alone. His name was Ayaan, curious eyes, a gentle heart. In a quiet corner of the street, a forgotten creature lay still. Hungry, wounded, and alone, the world had passed him by. Ayaan noticed the dog's pain. Something tugged at his heart. A hesitant step forward, a quiet plea in the dog's eyes. No words were spoken, yet everything was understood. Kindness was offered carefully. Trust slowly began to grow. Day after day, without promise, a silent ritual continued. Food, soft words, gentle care. Hope returned, little by little. Buddy's injury began to heal. Strength returned to his legs. A bond was formed quietly, unseen by the rushing world. One ordinary afternoon, everything suddenly changed. Ayaan felt weak, dizzy, afraid. The ground slipped away. He collapsed among strangers, unnoticed by many passing eyes. But Buddy knew. True friendship never looks away. The loyal dog barked loudly, running from one person to another. He tugged at clothes desperately, urgency in every movement. Finally, someone understood. Buddy's plea was heard. Help arrived just in time. A precious life was saved. Ayaan recovered slowly, his spirit stronger than before. He remembered Buddy's courage, loyalty beyond words. No longer a stray, but family. Kindness returned in full circle. A simple truth remained forever. Goodness always finds its way back.